In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comment in Draw.io quickly and clearly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find comment styles, how to place them on your diagram, and a few simple tweaks to make them stand out without disrupting your workflow. First, open your web browser and head to Draw.io. If you're prompted to choose where to save, pick your preferred option, then create a new blank diagram or open an existing one you want to annotate. Once your canvas is visible, look to the left side of the screen. This is your Shapes panel, and at the top of that panel, you'll see a search bar. If the panel looks collapsed or you don't see the search box, hover over the left edge and expand it so the search is visible. Click into that search bar and type the word comment. Draw.io will instantly filter the available shapes and show you a few options that work nicely for notes and annotations. Things like comment callouts, speech or thought balloons, and sticky note styles. Pick the style that best matches your diagram's look and how prominent you want the annotation to be. For example, a callout is great when you want a pointer tail that clearly targets a specific shape, while a sticky note style is perfect for general reminders or side notes. To add the comment, either click the shape to insert it at the center of your canvas or drag and drop it exactly where you want it to appear. Place it near the element you're describing, leaving a little breathing room so the diagram stays clean. Double-click inside the comment to start typing your note. Keep your message short and precise. Think one clear idea per comment so your diagram remains easy to scan. If you want to adjust the appearance, select the comment and use the Format panel on the right. You can change the fill color for emphasis, tweak the border to make it stand out or blend in, and adjust the font size for readability. You can also drag the corners to resize the comment or rotate it slightly if that helps the layout. For callouts, grab the small handle on the tail to point it directly at the item you're referencing. A quick tip: consistent colors and sizes across multiple comments make your diagram feel organized and professional. And that's all you need. Go to Draw.io, use the left side search bar, type comment, choose a style you like, then click or drag it onto the canvas and add your text. With these simple steps, your diagrams will be clearer, more informative, and easier for others to understand at a glance.